where exterior precision meets performance, we build environments that redefine excellence. The challenge was to create a world-class cleanroom facility designed for reliability, consistency, and uncompromising quality. Our scope covered the project from start to finish, from conceptual design to installation and validation. We delivered the complete cleanroom infrastructure including PEB structure and partition panels, HVAC systems and utilities, high-performance flooring, lighting and electrification, building management system BMS, fire protection, compressed air, PA system and CCTV, furniture and total support systems for manufacturing operations. This was a true turnkey delivery engineered with precision and care. Our team worked with commitment and technical excellence, ensuring flawless execution at every stage. The result, a modern, state-of-the-art clean room facility empowering our client with performance, trust and efficiency. We are Microcool Systems Pvt Limited, a trusted EPC partner since 1995. With over 2 decades of experience, we deliver turnkey solutions for industries specializing in clean rooms, HVAC and MEP. At Microcool, we don't just build facilities, we build excellence.